BMW N20 electronic water pump disassembly and installation tutorial. Preparation. Disconnect the negative pole of the battery to prevent water ingress and short circuit of electrical devices such as electrical plugs, and prepare common and specialized tools. Disassembly steps. 1. After making sure the coolant temperature is within the reasonable range, open the lid of the reservoir to release pressure. 2. Remove the sewer pipe and place it in a clean container. Reuse is not recommended as the coolant has already been released. If reused is required, please filter it. 3. Remove the upper intake duct. 4. Remove the inlet and outlet pipes of the water pump and the electrical plug. 5. Remove the fixing balls of the water pump and then remove the water pump. Installation steps. 1. The installation process is completed in reverse order of disassembly. 2. Fix the water pump. Bolt tightening torque is 22 Nm. 3. Hose clamping. Bolt tightening torque is 4 Nm. 4. When installing the water pipe, a clear sound of the clasp snapping into the groove should be heard. Exhaust preparation. Attention! 1. The coolant must be original product that meets the specification of this vehicle. It should be mixed with purified water according to the standard ratio. 2. Mixing different brands or models of coolant is prohibited. 3. If conditions permit, specialized devices can be used for vacuum filling. Add coolant to the max position and connect the battery to the charger. Exhaust the process. 1. Turn on the ignition switch and the low beam. 2. Turn on the vehicle air conditioner. Adjust its temperature to the maximum and its airflow to the minimum. 3. Step on the accelerator pedal to the limit position and maintain that position for 10 seconds. Do not start the engine during this process. 4. If water flows to the return water pipe of the reservoir continuously, the exhaust process has started. At this point, the electric cooling liquid pump has been activated and will be shut down automatically about 12 to 15 minutes later. 5. After the exhaust process is completed, check the liquid level in the coolant reservoir and replenish it to the maximum level. 6. Finally, connect the original diagnostic computer, check for any abnormal fault codes, and view the cooling system data flow.